Ready?
I'll pay the $100. You ready, kiddo?
Yep.
No, wait. Gotta twist my fuse back together.
Why, you don't want them falling out?
Well, you want to set all the fuses off at once so you don't have some of them burn and some of them don't.
That's cool. That's awesome. Fireworks. You ready?
Pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
Get some flash. Oh yeah, you always get burned a little when look at my hand.
Let me see.
See, look how black it's getting now.
Oh wait, let me see.
Now watch. Ready?
Yeah. Cool.
That's the exhaust.
Why can't you set all of them off?
Because they all have to be set manually.
All of them off at once, I mean.
And then you have to have one big fuse and twist it all together, and
That'd be a pain in the butt.
that'd be a pain in the butt.
Okay. See, that's what I'd do if there's anything smoking right there.
Well, that's kind of why I'm doing it
That's
here.
why I do it like that. And then stomp it down to put it out.
But
That's
see,
what some
look at the
people
bottle.
do.
Look at all the carbon that's building
Yeah, I
on the
see.
bottle from the discharge.
I see.
Now, see, I got some really big ones, but we're not going to set them off till later. But I think everybody's leaving.
So that people
Back
can
up
see.
just a little, dude. There, that's fine, honey. You don't have to go too far.
Right here?
Yep, that's fine. I think I only got one. Hold on. Nope, I got two. Nope, only one. Ow. What? Uh-oh. That one hung a hard right turn. Did you see that?
Yeah. I didn't really see it. So some of them are special.
You like them?
Yeah, some of them are special.
You
it
come
seems.
across any of these laying around, you don't do them yourself because you can get really hurt. You get.
I'd rather just like collect them and use them, like keep them as antiques.
Well, they're not antiques.
Because those are old. Those are hard to find.
No, you just got to go to the right state. You don't have to go that far, baby.
Okay.
Thank you. We're here every 4th of July.
It was really cute. Talking about the one with the boobs or something? Yes.
Cool. Colored. Colored discharge.
Pretty powerful, huh?
That's colored. Hey, oh wait, I thought those were just like fireworks on the inside. Let's light one of these. Let's light one of these.
Here, come here. Don't be picking them up, baby. Don't put me in the spot here.
Hey, what's this?
This is one that didn't go off.
I'd rather like...
Okay, see, I'm going to pull the fuse out now. See that stuff coming out?
Yeah?
That's the gunpowder. The reason I'm doing this is because it had a short fuse and it's not safe to light it. That way it's destroyed, nobody can get hurt.
Why are you using the fuse?
Because it's a short fuse and you can't set it
The
off.
fuse don't work anymore?
Well, yeah, it could work, but somebody could get hurt.
But it sucks.